Yeah, guys, so we are going to have a conversation. Topics have already been given to you. However, I'm going to show you the topics so that you the guys can decide which topic you the guys are going to choose. See, these are the topics. So, Dharika and Pooja, are you going to choose the first one?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
one?
sir.
Okay. So, 3, 2, 1, action. Go.
Yeah, Pooja, I came to know that you have joined some spoken classes. Is it true?
Yeah, Dharika, it is true that I have joined one of English learning program.
Okay. Do you think these kind of program really help anyone?
Yes, I think that these are really helping in my case because I was facing a lot of challenges these days,
Okay.
like especially in my professional life. I think that people take a lot of undue advantage of a person who can't communicate well in English. Like if I
Yeah.
talk about my case, there is a lot of work which I am doing. I know all ins and out of my process, but due to lack of confidence while speaking in English, I feel myself unable to take participate in calls. And
Okay.
some of my team members are taking undue advantage of this thing and taking their names. And because of that, I think I am losing so many good opportunities.
So, how long have you been learning English?
It has been 2 weeks now with the current course,
Okay.
and yeah.
Okay.
So
So, have you
it is
seen?
quite. Mhm.
Okay. Have you seen any improvement in your spoken?
Yes, definitely. I am seeing that so many improvement, you can say, because it is quite evident that these days people who don't have this skill to speak in English, so they
Yeah.
are losing so many opportunities. So due to which I have decided that I will learn English. I really want to speak English with great aplomb.
Okay. So, what sort of material, do they provide you?
Actually, these days only spoken course is going on, but
Okay.
the the Chandan sir, who is giving me this English training, they are also providing me advanced structures which I can use in my storytelling and all, which really helping me a lot. And
Okay.
in recent past, I have seen his videos, and he's an epitome of great trainers. The way he speaks, the way he communicates in English, the knowledge he has. Actually, he's an impetus for me to join English program.
Okay. So I would like to ask, how did you get to know about this course?
Yeah, actually, in recent past, I have seen one of his videos. So I liked it very much. So that day I decided that if I will learn English, I will learn from him only. And
Okay.
when I was watching one of his videos, that brought a lump to my throat. It was about how he learned English and how many difficulties he faced. So I thought, even after so many challenges, when he can learn English, then why I cannot?
Okay. So would you like to recommend anyone else also who is in dire need of learning English?
Yes, yes, definitely. I will recommend his name only because he's as I said, that he is a epitome of great trainers. And earlier I was
Okay.
skeptical that he might have joined some institutes, but when I came to know that he learned by himself, so I decided to take guidance from him only. The way,
Okay.
yeah, he motivates other is really commendable.
Okay. Okay. That's great. So Pooja, would you like to know that how do I get to know about all this stuff? Like who told me about your learning
Yeah,
process?
I
Like,
also heard. Yeah, I also heard that you have joined his course in different batch. So
yeah,
how
yeah,
you
yeah.
came to know about him?
Yeah, actually, I also am a big fan of him, and I must say that I watch his each and every video every day, and I have seen a lot of improvement in my communication skills. So that's how.
Okay, so may I know what is your vernacular?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I mean, what is your native language?
It's Hindi.
Okay. So why you want to learn English? Like I told you about my scenario. So what was your reason to learn English?
Yeah, as in in today's era, English is required in each and every field, right? So wherever
Mm-hmm.
I go, I used to face load of challenges regarding like speaking skills. So I thought I should join some courses like that.
Mhm. So for how long you have decided to be a part of his learning program?
This program I have joined 15 days ago, and as far as my learning, English learning, I have been learning for 2 years.
Okay, great. So you must be feeling ecstatic now, so as you have joined his courses.
Yeah, it's like I feel really blessed to be a part of this course, and I would really recommend everyone to join this course because this course, I am feeling blessed. I want other people should be blessed also.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah, I also feel like that his job is really commendable. He's the one who really wants to disseminate his knowledge to others'
yeah,
betterment. So
yeah,
that is
exactly.
something that I was looking for. Now I'm feeling
Yeah,
ecstatic. Yeah, I'm a
even
part of his
yeah,
learning program.
even I was planning to join some sort of institute, but due to like responsibility of my kids and all, I wasn't able to go out and didn't join any sort of institute. So I thought when I got to know about this online spoken course, so I thought I feel really very blessed.
Same
Yeah.
here, and I'm sure that we will see remarkable change in our communication in coming
Yeah,
days.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So, now, what do you think that are you seeing improvement in your communication as well?
Yeah, I
Like
have
I
seen a lot
said
of
that.
changes. I have seen a lot of changes as I wasn't good at structures, you can say, and vocab. So nowadays I'm trying to put those words in my speaking.
Same here, same here. Even I have started getting some compliments from my family also that you are using very good structures these days.
Yeah, that's all
Yeah,
credit
so I
goes to
said that,
Chandan sir, we must say.
yeah, yeah, I said
Yeah,
that it's happening because of Chandra sir's guidance only.
yeah, exactly. And he has guided us to make a group of 2, 3 people, like if we are comfortable. So we have already made. So that thing also really helping us.
Yes. It was
Mm,
his great idea that we can also communicate to each other after this batch also. So that
yeah,
was also great idea.
yeah. So that's good.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Great conversation. My God,
Thank you.
Thank
amazing,
you, sir.
amazing. And the sentence, I don't know, it was spoken by Pooja. Pooja, I couldn't see. One of English speaking program, you said, like, what are you saying, Pooja? Because
I have to recall myself.
just a minute. Like in starting, who was asking question? मैंने ना
Sir, I was
you were
asking.
okay.
Sarika,
Pooja was
Sarika
answering.
started. Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm,
Pooja said one of English speaking program. It should have been programs. Okay,
yes.
Yes, it is programs.
and
Right,
you
right.
and you say so many improvements. ऐसा कुछ कहा था. So much कर दीजिए. So much improvement.
Okay, sure. So much improvement.
हाँ,
Yeah.
फाइन. और दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग, जैसे मेरे बारे में बात हुई तो मुझे दे कहा मतलब कि दे आर
He.
प्रोवाइडिंग हुआ तो ही होता. एक्चुअली होता है कि हम
Mm-hmm.
हिंदी में ना रिस्पेक्ट जब देते हैं तो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अगर पापा आ गए तो वो आ गए ऐसा बोलते हैं ना.
Yes, yes.
तो फिर हम पापा को दे नहीं कर सकते. हमें अंग्रेजों में तो कोई इज्जत नहीं चलती जी. ही बोल रहे हैं. ओके
Okay.
Okay.
ओके. बाकी एक था द
And
वे ही कम्युनिकेट, तो वहाँ कम्युनिकेट्स होता. माइनर मिस्टेक्स हैं.
mm-hmm.
इफ आई विल लर्न इंग्लिश आई विल लर्न फ्रॉम हिम, तो अगर इफ में
I
हम,
learn.
हाँ, तो इफ में फिर विल नहीं लगाएंगे. इफ आई लर्न इंग्लिश, ये है. बाकी पूजा, ये विद ग्रेट अप्लॉम पूजा ने यूज किया था.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और
Yes.
ये लम टू थ्रोट वाला
Yes,
ऐसा.
yes. I
ओके,
have used this. Yeah.
वेरी गुड. यानी कि आपने कल वाला वीडियो देखा, वो कल था परसों था
So
ऐसे ही
yeah,
कुछ.
these days I am watching your videos. Yeah, completely.
या
Yeah.
सो गाइस, लेट मी टेल यू कि अगर आपके स्ट्रक्चर सही हैं, फिर आपको एडवांस चीज़ों को ऐड कीजिए. सजाइए अपनी अंग्रेजी को जितना डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे वर्नाकुलर किसने बोला था? पूजा.
Pooja's
Puja.
ji.
पूजा ने बोला था. हाँ, जैसे इस तरह के वर्ड्स होते हैं. वर्नाकुलर हो गया. एक एल्मा मैटर होता है, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि तुम्हारा स्कूल कॉलेज का है, उसकी जगह आप एल्मा मैटर बोलेंगे. ऐसे ऐसे जुमले हैं ना जो आपको बड़ा मतलब वैल्यू क्रिएट करते हैं आपके लिए.
Sir, this is something I am trying to add in my conversations only.
यस. तो ये
Yeah.
कीजिए.
Yeah, I have used one word epitome, so
हाँ
it was correct.
हाँ, ये भी बहुत अच्छा था. तो ऐसे आप वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा, तब होगा.
What is the meaning of sir vernacular?
नहीं कहते कोई खास भाषा, जैसे आप आप रहते हैं वहाँ का
native
कोई पर्टिकुलर
language.
लैंग्वेज होगा,
Yeah.
कोई नेटिव लैंग्वेज होगा, तो ये सब जानना चाहिए आपको। ओके। और ये धारिका ने बोला आई फील रियली, नहीं ठीक ही था इनका तो, बाकी रिकॉर्डिंग कोई मिस्टेक तो ऐसा लगा नहीं। रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तो आप एक बार चेक आप भी कर लेना।
Sure, sir.
Definitely.
And sir, any other mistake from my side?
नो 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 मिस्टेक।
Because I didn't use any advanced thing, I must say.
एडवांस द थिंग इज दैट एडवांस लाइक सी इफ यू टेक वन स्ट्रक्चर, जैसे मैंने बोला कि ओके क्लियरली एविडेंट दैट का इस्तेमाल करना है मान लो,
Yeah.
तो फिर
Okay.
हमें ना
And
दिन भर घूमते हुए किचन में चाय बनाते हुए हमें ना कुछ बोलते रहना है उस स्ट्रक्चर को अपना
Okay.
बनाने के लिए, वो ऐसे याद नहीं होगा। मतलब
Mhm.
जब मैं प्रैक्टिस किया करता था तो मैं, लोग कहते थे कि फलाने का बेटा पागल हो गया है, मैंने यहाँ तक सुना है। तो इस लेवल पे मैंने प्रैक्टिस कर रही, अकेले, कोई नहीं था प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए। अभी चलो शादी हो गई तो वाइफ के साथ और बच्चे के साथ तो चलो होता ही रहता है प्रैक्टिस, बट ये करना पड़ेगा आपको, अकेले करो।
Mhm. Yeah, so I have also used impetus word. So it was correct, like he's impetus for me to join English program.
हाँ ये सब वर्ड्स ठीक ही हैं, करेक्ट आपने यूज किया
I
है,
I
और
heard this word in one of your videos where you were taking your interview.
यस यस।
Dharika ma'am, I have one question
Impetus.
for you.
Yeah.
How can I speak like you? How can I speak like you?
just by watching a Chandan sir video, you can get this kind of confidence, I must say, and can get those kind of structures and all these things.
I think that you hold a practice.
No, no, I don't practice. Not even, not even
You must
yeah,
practice
definitely with
in
Pooja. I
child.
try to, yeah, I try to speak with her for an hour or so, but not more than that.
Yeah, but for this topic we didn't practice anything.
Yeah, because I want everything should be spontaneous, because
Yeah.
I don't want to, yeah, cram up the things and
Yes, yes, that should be.
yeah, that's why.
बट ये करना कि कुछ ना, जैसे अपना फेवरेट स्ट्रक्चर्स बना लो कि ये 5 तो मेरे हो गए जी, अपना बना लो, और उनको रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करके फिर देखो कि वो अपने आप इस्तेमाल होने लायक हुए कि नहीं हुए, ऐसे हमें करना होगा। अब जैसे एम्पिटस वर्ड है, एम्पिटस मैंने ओबामा को यूज करते हुए सुना था। ओके,
Okay.
ये जो अमेरिकन क्या था,
And I heard
president।
you.
तो सोचो कि ये मैं आपको ऐसे वर्ड्स दूंगा जो मार्केट में चलते हैं, कोई भी डिक्शनरी उठा के तो नहीं दे सकता मैं, जो चलते हैं, जो लाइफ में यूज होते हैं वो है। ठीक है गाइस, वेरी गुड। अब 2 मोर पीपल।
Govind Jahangir.
ओके ओके देन विच टॉपिक?
7 number.
नंबर 7, लेट मी शो यू।
Jahangir sir available in online class?
Yeah, he is available.
Jahangir, this topic is 7 number.
But I have also chosen 7 too.
No, 12, 12.
12.
12, sorry sir, 12.
Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh my god, मेरा इसमें नंबर दिख गया क्या? Okay. मोबाइल नंबर।
May I start sir?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Jahangir.
Knock, knock.
Oh Jahangir, how are you?
I'm fine.
Come inside, come, have a seat.
Okay. Thank you.
What brings you here?
What brings you here?
What brings you here?
I heard your friend become accident.
नहीं, अगर वो कह रहा है कि कैसे आना हुआ, पहले थोड़ा कैजुअल बात करो, जाते तुरंत मत बोलो, बोलो कि अच्छा बस ऐसे ही गुजर रहा था, आ गया, फिर ऐसे कुछ बात करो।
Speak up, Jahangir.
ओके
Okay,
ठीक है, जो बोल रहे थे वही बोलो।
Okay, sir. I heard your friend become accident. I got scared. What will happen? What happened? With your friend.
What I say, Jahangir, yesterday we are in the bike and we are going to cinema hall, and suddenly one car tightly hit me and my friend get down on the road, and after few minutes later my friend from head bleeding, and few minutes later there are so many people come over there, and one of them one of them uh, said to me, you have to call 108 ambulance call. So after that I have called the ambulance 108, and immediately came over there and rushed to the hospital. And before treatment, doctor said to me, you will have to first of call the police. So after then I request the sir, this is a emergency. This is a emergency. So then doctor said to me, no, no, I will not treat your friend. You will have to call the police. Starting argument, I said to reply, sir, this is a for priority. You will have to treatment first at anyhow. So there are so many people said to doctor, you will have to priority of the patient checkup. Then after I will call you. You will call the police. After that, I called the police, and few minutes later came, and police said to me, "Who is the person?" I said to police, "This is my best friend. Name is Pintu." Okay, what happened? Suddenly, sir, I was in. We are in the back. Behind me, a car. He was speed almost 100 to 200, and totally hit my bike, and my friend get down on the road, and there are so many come over and rush to the hospital. Okay. After that, started treatment my friend.
Okay, how is your friend at now?
Yeah, my friend health is getting well.
Okay, he eat something.
Yeah, he can only take juice, not eat something like that, dry food and any vegetables, rice. He can only take a juice, only drinking, not eating.
Okay, I am glad to talk to you. Someone must be waiting for me, so I have to go, Bhavin.
Okay, okay, definitely you can go now.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
फाइन. इस रिकॉर्डिंग को सुनना गोविंद ध्यान से, ठीक है?
गलत
एक्चुअली
बोल रही है सर।
कुछ एरर्स थे, मतलब तुम बोलना तो बहुत कुछ चाहते हो.
जी जी, एकदम सही समझे।
हाँ हाँ. अब जैसे पास्ट होना चाहिए तो प्रेजेंट कई बार हो जाता है. जैसे वी आर गोइंग टू सिनेमा हॉल हो गया तो वी वर होना चाहिए, यू नो.
हाँ हाँ, ये हम लोग प्रैक्टिस किए थे, बट पता नहीं।
अब प्रैक्टिस मान लो कि दो ऐसे लोग कर रहे हैं जिनको खुद पता नहीं चल पा रहा है कि कौन मिस्टेक कर रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम होने लगती है.
जी
मान लो
सर।
कि एक ऐसा हो जो मिस्टेक को पकड़ ले कि नहीं नहीं यार, ये मुझे लग रहा है गलत है. तो मिस्टेक
अब
ऐसे पकड़ना, सोचना कि यार हम बात पास्ट की कर रहे हैं और अगर हम आर बोल रहे हैं तो गलत ही होगा ना. कुछ ऐसा सोचना पहले, या अपने अपने प्रैक्टिस को रिकॉर्ड करना फोन पे, तब होगा.
ओके ओके
जहांगीर ने
सर,
बोला
ओके।
कि योर फ्रेंड बिकम एक्सीडेंट, मतलब कि तुम्हारा फ्रेंड हो गया एक्सीडेंट. बिकम मतलब हो गया. अजीब नहीं, योर फ्रेंड एक्चुअली रटा हुआ होता है, योर फ्रेंड मेट विद एन एक्सीडेंट, ऐसे बोलना है. तो कहीं पर एक्शन नहीं है, मतलब हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाया, एक्शन नहीं लगाया.
आई हैव वन डॉट क्वेश्चन सर। रीड का सेकंड फॉर्म क्या होता है सर? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रीड सेकंड फॉर्म?
रेड होता है, पढ़ते हैं उसको रेड, लिखते हैं रीड.
वो तो रेड आउट हो गया, मतलब पढ़ के सुना दिया।
ठीक है, ठीक था. स्पीड गोविंद की ठीक थी. स्पीड तुम्हारी ठीक है गोविंद, तुम अच्छा खासा चाहते हो, बट वो
मैं सर इंग्लिश
errors-
न्यूज हमेशा सुनते रहता हूँ, इंडिया टुडे।
हम्म,
कैच करने की कोशिश करता हूँ माइंड में, मैं उसी लेवल में बोलना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन पता नहीं।
जो चाहेगा वही कर पाएगा, डोंट वरी. देखते हैं कब तक सुधरता है.
मेरे दिल देर इज वे, जहाँ जाऊँ वहीं रहा।
एक बार बस मिस्टेक्स खत्म हो जाए, बस आधी प्रॉब्लम समझ लो दूर हो जाएगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टू पीपल. श्रुति.
Sir, yes, sir. I'm ready. Chetna?
Shruti and Chet.
Yes, yes.
Which topic? Number?
Yeah. Can I ask
Seven,
question or give answer?
Number 7.
No, I'm asking. I want to ask a question to you.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Okay, this one I got
Okay.
to I got I
Ah,
got to know
yes,
that you're
I
learning English. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go
Yes.
ahead.
learning English.
Go ahead.
Chetna, do you want to ask
Sure, sure.
question?
Yeah, yeah. I want.
Okay, no problem.
question to you.
Mhm.
So, Shruti, I got to know that you are learning English.
Hmm.
So, why do you want to learn English?
Yeah, it's a very nice question, Chetna, because English as a language is spoken worldwide, and now people do understand as their second language is many countries. When it comes to traveling or visiting a different country, uh, if the people
Okay.
do not spoke your mother tongue or so your language, that time English comes to help or rescue that situation. And if you have a little knowledge of English, uh, also very helpful to survive different country or a different place. That's why I'm
Okay. So,
trying to learn English.
okay. So, uh, since when have you been learning English?
Yeah, uh, please pardon, I can't hear properly.
Yeah, I'm saying that since when
Hmm.
have you been learning English?
Okay, I have been learning English since March.
Okay. So, tell me, uh,
Mhm.
do you go, do you join any institute,
No,
English
I
spoken institute?
right now I haven't joined any institute or academy, but I had a experience to work professionally. Nowadays, I want to improve my English because English is opened up a lot of opportunity for you now. If you have a good level of English knowledge, you can speak effectively and communicate communication skill are very nice. That time you got the nice opportunity, and you will be considered as a hot property. That's why I'm trying to learn English.
Okay. So, at what time do you learn English?
uh, uh, it is not fixed time. Whenever I get the chance, I can start to learn English. And whenever uh, when I get the opportunity, then I start speaking English, and it's my habitual and it's my life. Now a day I only live with English, and I made my surrounding like English. I Many times I speak with my sorry, I speak my I speak with my husband, talk to my son and many friends. Try to chat in English each and every person.
Okay. So, do you use any online source to learn English?
Yeah, I I have joined one academy uh, course, and now I got a lot of knowledge from that academy. And now I wanted I wanted to paste the knowledge in my day to day routine, and I got the effect also, and now I will improve my English.
Okay. So, do you know
What
correct way to
do
learn
you know?
speaking
Ac-
English?
Hello, do you know
Yeah.
means academy regarding class, Chetna? Hello.
It's okay, okay, leave. It was good. मिस्टेक्स एक तो पीपल डू नॉट स्पोक बोला था, क्या नाम है इनका, श्रुति.
हाँ सर,
पीपल
स्पोक बोला मैंने.
स्पोक, एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग सुन लेना आप. पीपल डू नॉट स्पोक, स्पीक होना चाहिए था. डू नॉट आ गया ना,
हाँ.
स्पीक होना चाहिए था.
यस.
और एक जगह कुछ कहना चाह रही थी कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है, वो गेट की जगह गॉट आ गया था. कुछ था वहां पर जो अचानक आपने वो चेंज कर दिया. तो ये अब रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना. और
गॉट गॉट अपॉर्चुनिटी बोला मैंने, आई
हाँ,
थिंक.
तो गॉड बोला
गेट
तो
अपॉर्चुनिटी.
बातें ऐसी चल रही थी कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा, आप
यस.
हॉट प्रॉपर्टी हो जाएंगे, कुछ ऐसा था ना.
हॉट प्रॉपर्टी बोला मैंने.
नहीं
यू
वो तो
विल बी कंसिडर हॉट
हाँ,
प्रॉपर्टी.
ये हॉट प्रॉपर्टी ठीक है, और अच्छा वर्ड, एक अच्छा फ्रेज भी है हॉट प्रॉपर्टी का मतलब ये होता है जो हाईली डिजायर डिमांड में रहे, वो हॉट प्रॉपर्टी है। बाकी ये गॉट वगैरह था, ये कहीं माइनर मिस्टेक था। वो रिकॉर्डिंग सुन के पता चलेगा कि बैकग्राउंड क्या था, किस सेंटेंस को आपने लाते लाते अचानक आपने कैसे चेंज किया।
Sir, I have a question here.
English,
हम्म
sir, यहाँ I have a question.
हम्म
English is opened होगा क्या? Open up होगा क्या? होगा वहाँ पे?
ओपन अप
मुझे
लगा
थोड़ा
दीजिए, अप लगाना जरूरी है यहाँ, ओपन अप।
ओपन के बाजू में ईडी लगाना जरूरी है क्या? इंग्लिश इज ओपनड अप ऐसा होगा क्या?
Actually,
क्या ओपन अप होगा?
ओपन एक ऐसा वर्ड है कि बिना ईडी के भी चल जाएगा। अगर मान लो कोई दुकान खुला है तो हम खाली ओपन भी कह सकते हैं। ये
हाँ, इंग्लिश इज ओपन अप अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू, ऐसा था मेरा।
लेकिन अगर इंग्लिश ने अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए खोल दिया है तब आप ईडी लगाइए, क्योंकि आप वर्ब के रूप में यूज कर रही हैं। तो इंग्लिश हैज ओपनड अप कर दीजिए, ईडी लगा दीजिए।
इज नहीं लगाऊं ना सर?
नहीं, हैज कर दीजिए, इंग्लिश हैज ओपनड अप।
यस सर।
यस धारिका, या
Sir,
Yes, sir. Like people say, like I want now. I wanted, like Srishti has also used this. Now I wanted, so it should be like now I want that, or it's correct now I wanted.
नाउ अगर है तो आई वांट होगा, वांटेड
Yeah,
नहीं होगा।
that's what I was asking. Yeah.
Yes.
sir, what about my feedback?
आपने तो जो सवाल हाँ एक जगह बोला है कि डू यू ज्वाइन एनी इंस्टीट्यूट, ये कहा था। यहाँ हैव यू ज्वाइंड होना
Yes,
चाहिए
sir.
था।
हाँ, यस।
हाँ,
Yeah, have you joined?
बस यही था। देखिए जो सवाल पूछता है वो तो लिमिटेड ही पूछेगा, मेन जो जवाब देता है वो ज्यादा बोल सकता है। तो
Yes, sir.
ये था।
व्हाट अबाउट मी सर?
ठीक था।
व्हाट अबाउट मी?
यू स्पोक अ लॉट, यू स्पोक सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस।
But I have a lot of things, but she didn't ask more question.
ठीक है, तो अभी तो क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले पे डिपेंड करता है।
प्लेन फन भी बोलना था मुझे, मतलब हम शोज वगैरह देख सकते हैं ना इंग्लिश के प्रोग्राम्स।
यस यस यस, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट इट
Yeah,
वाज
okay.
इट वाज बेटर।
Actually, I was asking to you. I think it was my job.
Yeah, there was some mic issue. Anyways, we have limited time.
I have one question, sir. May I please?
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
सर आप जैसे कि आप बताएं थे सर, जैम पैक्ड मतलब होता है खचाखच भीड़ से भरा होना।
हाँ हाँ,
राइट सर, मैं राइट सर?
जैम पैक्ड, हाँ सही तो है, क्या है?
यस सर।
या
तो सर मैं एक न्यूज में देखा था कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी प्राइम मिनिस्टर जैम पैक्ड, तो वो वर्ड समझ नहीं आ रहा। तो जैम पैक्ड मींस
आप उसका एक स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना,
थोड़ा सा
क्योंकि
हमको
किस
मुश्किल
बारे
हो
में
रहा
लिखा
सर,
हुआ
वो
था।
इसीलिए पूछ।
हेडलाइन बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसा लिखता है जो शायद आप लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे, कई बार ऐसा होता है। तो आप प्लीज स्क्रीनशॉट भेजिएगा कि क्या भरा हुआ था, जहाँ वो जा रहे हैं वो है या क्या था, वो सीन देखना पड़ेगा ना। यू कैन सेंड मी द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दैट। फाइन गाइस, 2 more people प्लीज। शादाब
Sir,
या हाँ
sir.
जी, गगन है।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am ready.
तो गगन एंड शादाब दोनों बात कर लीजिए, ठीक है ना टॉपिक।
Sir. So,
Sir,
11 numbers.
ओके, चूज एनी टॉपिक।
Sir, 11 number.
Number 11. I was informed by
Yes, sir.
someone that a girl came to your home and started abusing you. Lovely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Gagan, sir, start asking question to me.
okay, Gagan, you can ask question.
Yesterday I came to know that a girl came to your house and she started abusing her. So, what was the matter?
Actually, this is not a real story. This is fully fake story. I am going to tell you. Actually, yesterday was a great day for me. Yesterday was my engagement, and all the relatives and my family members also gathered in my house, and a girl came to my home. This is the same girl whom I loved very much, and I kept her a promise to get married with her in future. But I was getting married with another girl, so she came to know that about my engagements. At once she came at my home and started abusing me.
Since you made a promise to her that you would only marry to her, then why didn't you get married with her?
Because I had made a promise 2 or 3 years earlier, but I didn't tell her about my engagement. I was waiting for her. 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 I was wai to my parents about that girl. Then my parents was making were making engagement to another girl with me.
Then, was it difficult for you to make a decision regarding this issue?
Pardon, please repeat again question.
Was it difficult for you to make a decision on this issue? To select
Yes,
anyone?
but actually, when she started abusing to me, my family member got shocked in the all in front of many relatives. He made many insult all my family members, and finally my engagement broke down, and all the members, especially my parents, got very sad. But inwardly I was very happy because I get another chance to the marry with the same girl whom I loved very much.
D- Didn't you tell her earlier that you are going to marry with other girl?
No, I never told him about that and never told her about this.
So will you marry to that girl again, which whom you loved?
Yeah. After some time, my father agreed to marry with that girl, and finally I got married after some time. That's all.
Sir, okay, or should we keep going?
ओके दैट्स फाइन. इससे ज़्यादा उन्होंने दैट्स ऑल बोल दिया तो ठीक है. हिज हर की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम शादाब,
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा हिज हर. और अब ना कुछ एडवांस स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ करना शुरू करो आप शादाब.
Yes, sir.
10 या 5 ना अपना एक बना लो कि हाँ ये मेरा हो गया, उसको यूज़ करो.
Okay, sir.
बाकी ठीक है. एंड everybody has done. Anyone who is remaining? No one.
But sir, some people are remaining.
Who? No one seems to be remaining.
Subramanian, sir.
So where are you, buddy? Are you there? Okay.
Sir, actually, sir, I'm not able to speak because Durga Puja is being conducted by my house close.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, sir. I will be able after 4 days.
Okay. No issue.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. So guys, अभी हमारे पास थोड़ा वक्त है, तो हम एक छोटा सा we will do a role play, you know, a small role play.
Yes, sir.
So the small role play is like this, that Dharika has to buy something. Okay, Dharika, and are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm making breakfast. So
Oh,
side by side, I'll try to speak also.
so very arduous girl. Okay, so how will you manage? Because-
Earlier, my mother-in-law helped me a lot, but today she's not well, so I have to manage all the things alone.
Okay, so you just listen. Okay, don't participate. Wait.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Pooja is there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay, so Pooja, you have to buy something, and Shruti is your friend.
Okay.
So go to her house, and Govind is Shruti. Okay, are you there,
Hello,
Shruti?
sir. 5 minutes later, I will join because my grocery delivery is coming.
Why, wah. I salute housewives, really. They have to work hard.
Yeah,
At my house. Please, sir,
Dharika
sorry.
can join. I
Everyone
think
has
she's
a busy.
multitasking.
Okay.
Everyone has a busy.
Is busy होगा, has नहीं. Okay, fine. So Pooja, you go to Chetna's house. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Chetna, are you there? ये तो स्टूडेंट है, ये तो फ्री होगी. चेतना.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So and Chetna has a servant. Guys, कोई servant का रोल प्ले कर लो. कोई सामने नहीं आ रहा है.
I am ready, sir.
You're ready? Lovely, fine. Okay, तो फिर वहाँ से शॉपिंग मॉल जाएंगे. फिर शॉपिंग मॉल में कोई मॉल वाला होगा, मे बी गोविंद. शॉपिंग मॉल में कुछ बेचना गोविंद, ठीक है गोविंद?
Okay, sir. Okay,
फाइन,
done.
ठीक है. सो पूजा, फर्स्ट यू मेक अ कॉल टू श्रुति.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, no, no,
Chetna.
Chetna. Make a call to Chetna and say that you are coming to her house with a view to
Mm-hmm.
going to any shopping mall.
Okay.
Okay. So, action.
Then we have to make a fake story, like what is happening and
No,
all.
it's just a role play. Role play means you have to just live the life, that situation. No
Okay,
storytelling.
okay,
You have to go to her
okay.
house, just talk, hi, कैसी हो ये, and then वहाँ पे चाय कॉफी पी के go to shopping mall and buy something and come back. ये है.
Yeah, hi Chetna, how are you?
Okay, sir. Yeah, I'm good. What about you, Pooja?
I'm also doing good.
Okay.
So, are you free today? Actually, I want you to purchase something. So, if you are free, we can
Yeah,
go
I
to a
also,
nearby shopping mall.
yeah, why not? Because I also want to purchase something. So let's go.
Yeah, it would be great then. Let's go.
चेतना अपने घर बुलाओ पूजा
So, we
को.
can,
Yeah. So Pooja,
hmm?
hello.
Yeah, hi
So
Chetna.
Pooja, firstly, yeah. So firstly, come to my home. And
Okay, definitely I will come to your home and I will pick you. So, I am coming to
okay,
your home in 10 minutes.
okay, okay. I'm waiting.
Yeah. Okay, knock, knock.
चेतना
Yeah. Hello.
ask your Ramu Kaka to open the door. Chetna, you have got a servant.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Shadab, you are Ramu, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So Ramu Kaka, someone knocking the door.
Yeah,
Please open the door.
yeah. I am going to open the door at once.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is someone to meet you.
No, no, ये शादाब just ask her, मैम आप कौन है, किससे मिलना है, no, full English conversation चाहिए.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
knock, knock.
How are you? Who are you?
नहीं, रुको. एक तो
Okay,
ना.
I'm Pooja and
Okay,
I want to meet Chetna. Can you please call her?
okay, fine.
Okay. Wait a moment. I will going to call Chetna ma'am.
I'm going to
Hello.
call this.
Hello, Chetna ma'am. Pooja ne agar
Yes,
came at the door, whose name telling his name, her name Pooja. He wanted to meet you. He want to meet you.
She wants to meet you.
She want to meet you. Sorry, sir.
Wants.
Okay, okay. Call her. She is my best friend. Call her, okay, please.
Okay. Pooja ma'am, come inside and
Yeah,
be
thank you.
seated here.
So, hi
Ma'am
Chetna,
is
how are
coming.
you? Long time no
Yeah.
see. Where were you?
Yeah. I was also wanted to meet you since long time.
Where were
But
you
you
की
didn't
जगह
make.
पूजा
But you
पूजा
didn't
पूजा
make.
पूजा
Mhm.
where were you
Yeah.
की जगह where have you been ज्यादा अच्छा है. Where
Yes,
have you
you
been
can also
तब हम
use.
बोलते थे
Yeah.
बहुत दिनों से नहीं देखा, तो ये आजकल बड़ा अच्छा रटा हुआ डायलॉग है अंग्रेजों का.
Yeah. So I said that long time no see. Where were you?
तो नहीं वैसे भी चलेगा.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah.
Actually, I was busy some work. So I think since long time we are meeting.
Yeah, I think these days you are showing a lot of attitude to me.
No, it's not me. Actually, because of some work, I couldn't call
Okay,
you
okay.
as well as.
I'm just saying it in just way. Don't take it otherwise. Okay, let's get ready.
Okay,
We will go to shopping mall.
रामू
okay.
कम रामू
So
से कि अरे मैम चाय तो पी कर जाइए. Come on, रामू.
Oh, ma'am, stay a little while. I'm going to make tea for you. Just wait and talk to ma'am for a while. I'll just returning.
okay, Ramu
No,
Kaka,
I'm
go
not
and
feeling like to. No, I'm not like feeling to have a
I
tea.
don't feel like Pooja. I don't feel like taking
Yeah, I
tea.
don't feel like. I don't feel like taking a tea. You can just give me a
So
glass of water.
if you want to not take tea, can you take drink cold drink and anything else?
No, just give me a glass of water, please.
Thank you.
And
I will
yeah,
going to take.
Pooja, please sit 5 or 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will go there. Okay, take a rest, please.
okay. I'm waiting. Yeah.
Okay. So Ramu Kaka, go and make tea. as well as take
Okay, okay.
water also.
I'm just going to make tea and take
Okay,
water for
okay.
him. So what I do?
Give me a
Okay,
glass of water.
yeah, give water, then give
Yeah,
tea.
take
Yeah.
take a glass of water, take it
What is
and
this?
have
This
it.
glass is dirty. Can you please change it?
Oh, sorry, I just change it.
What nonsense, Ramu Kaka?
What mistake I have done?
I think Pooja was saying that the glass is dirty.
Oh no,
Arre,
I have already washed this glass, but
Ramu, say that, madam, this is the new color of the glass. This is the trend. Yeah.
I had washed
Trend ganda pani.
perfectly, but out of nowhere this become dirty. But I again wash this, and after that I will take water in this
Okay,
glass.
okay, go and wash first, please. Then give water her. Give
Okay,
water to her.
So
okay,
Chetna, if you are ready,
take
we
it.
can.
And don't repeat this mistake again.
Yeah, Chetna. So if
Okay,
you are ready,
okay.
we can
I will
Yeah,
participate
remember.
on.
I will remember. I will never make
yeah, yeah.
mistakes such types of mistakes.
Yeah, Pooja, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Keep in your mind this thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So now,
Okay,
Chandan
Pooja,
sir,
so let's go.
we need to talk with any salesman
Yeah, Govind is the
regarding the
salesperson.
clothes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. I'm ready.
So can you please show us some good clothes, like good
Some
t-shirts, you
modern
can
clothes
say?
also.
Yeah.
And don't get it, Matt. What would you like to buy?
We are looking for good t-shirts.
Yeah, yeah, all right.
T-shirt.
Yeah,
But
t-shirts.
T-shirt is very expensive. But you can't. T-shirt is
Sorry.
very expensive. You can purchase.
Yes, definitely we can purchase. And who are you
First, please
by?
show us.
Yeah, please show us.
Actually, total T-shirt. I have a lot of T-shirt, but let the first finish, ma'am. I have a lot of T-shirt, but range of T-shirt above 5,000 to 10,000. You can purchase.
Yeah, yeah, we can
I think that you don't
purchase.
want to sell this
Okay, okay,
because
definitely.
no salesmen
Okay.
are
Yeah,
Definitely
yeah.
I'm showing you. Which color? Which color do you like? Can you tell me, ma'am? Which color do you like?
show us some t-shirts in red color family.
Yeah.
Red color. Acha. Do you? I mean to say you like a red color. Okay, okay. I'm showing you. Uh,
So funny conversation.
this, this is a T-shirt color. This price is 10,000 above, and another red T-shirt
Okay, so which
above
brand is this?
50,000.
Which brand is this?
He purchased only one person, just like Ambani, Mukesh Ambani. He purchased few minutes ago. He purchased the 50,000 rupees
I think
T-shirt.
you don't know that
You can, madam. This
who
is
we
suitable
are.
for you. This,
We are also belongs to Ambani's family.
R नहीं आएगा पूजा. We also belong to.
Yeah, we also belongs to Ambani's
no,
family.
Belongs नहीं. Belong.
ma'am. So then,
We also
so
belong.
then you will, ma'am.
Actually,
Let
he
the
made
first
me laugh.
place. So then you are belonging Mukesh Ambani. So definitely you will have to purchase the T-shirt 50,000.
Yes, that is what I am saying. You.
That's
I
why we
will
are saying
purchase. Yeah,
please
Yes,
show.
I
this
will
red
purchase.
color
You
is very
just choose.
suitable for you. Red color. Red,
Don't delve into it. What
okay,
will
okay.
suit me or not?
Okay, I'm going
Just
to pack. I have a lot of suit. Which color?
Chetna ask question.
And the size,
Yeah,
what is the
actually I
size
like,
of suit?
yeah, I like yellow color suit. Can you show me? Hello?
Size, ma'am?
कोई मीडियम लार्ज कुछ दिखा दो. क्या पूछ रहे हो? मीडियम लार्ज दिखा दो.
Size. What is
Yeah.
the size of suit?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
show
I'm
me
showing the
large
medium.
size.
Medium. This is a very fantastic. Okay. I will show you. I'm going to show you. This is large two shot, and is perfect
Okay.
for you, ma'am. This is very in market.
Don't tell me which
In
one is
सर क्या
perfect
बोलते हैं
for
मार्केट
me.
में बहुत चल रहा है क्या बोलते हैं
Trend. It is in trend.
Let me choose. Don't tell me which one is
it
perfect
is a
for me
trend
or
on the
not.
market.
Okay, okay. I know very well.
Okay. Sorry, ma'am. You can as you say you can choose now.
Choose me? क्या?
Yeah. So
एक मिनट क्या?
okay. So pack this one, please.
Oh my god.
I think we should go to
Can I
other
try?
shop,
Okay.
Chetna,
Which color,
and
ma'am?
yeah, I think we should go
Yeah.
to other shop. So there is a Shruti who is a great salesman
No,
who can show
definitely,
us
ma'am.
some
No,
great stuff.
no,
So
no matter.
Chetna,
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
move to other shop.
You can go
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
I
Why
think
not? Let's go.
he's a psycho kind of man. He will not show us
Yeah. Yeah.
stuff.
He is the kind of
Definitely, you can
man.
go now.
Lovely.
Yeah, hi Shruti. Can you
He is
please
behaving like
show us some
madman.
good stuff in red color? So Shruti, can you please help us by showing some good color in
Ma'am,
picture?
can I any other help?
Uh, can I play
Great.
shopkeeper role?
Yeah.
Right now we are other shop.
Yes,
We are
now we
in the
are in
other
other
shop.
shop,
Okay.
and here you are the sales girl who will
Yeah.
show us some good
May
stuff.
I help you, ma'am?
Yes,
Shruti.
yes,
Yeah. May I help you, ma'am?
yes, Shruti.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
kind of clothes do you like to most, ma'am?
Yeah,
So I
actually we are
can
looking
show
for
you.
some good
Do you like
t-shirts in red
most?
color.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Uh, look at this rack, ma'am. There is a lots of variety of red colors.
There are.
Which one? There are lots of variety of red colors. Which one do you like most, ma'am? Then I can show you another
Yeah, you
patterns.
can show us a cherry red color if you have.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Let me
Chetna,
find it,
what
ma'am.
about you? You will also
Yeah.
like to
So
see cherry
Shruti.
red or what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Firstly,
Let me
show
find
me
it, ma'am.
2 or 3 piece.
Then I can show you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Firstly,
ma'am.
show us 2 and 3
This
piece.
one, ma'am. Look at this and this one, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you show us to open?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Let me find it. Then look at, ma'am. This one is
Yeah,
how
it
it is.
looks fantastic. You can pack
Yeah.
this for us.
Can I suggest one more thing, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sure.
So firstly, tell
Yeah.
us what is the price of this t-shirt?
1,000 only.
Okay. Okay. But it's a
Can
costly.
I
So
pack it?
yeah.
Yes,
But
Shruti, you can pack this for me, and Chetna, you can
Do you-
see something
Fine.
other for yourself.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shruti. It was so nice to hear.
You're
Yeah.
very
Most
good
welcome, ma'am.
shopkeeper.
Do you like more? Uh, do you like more to?
Not now, but in future, if I have to purchase something,
We
then
have,
definitely
ma'am.
I will
Yeah.
come to your
Definitely.
shop only.
Yeah. Yeah.
We
We will
have a
come.
lot of variety of jeans. Can you see? Then
Right
right
now, I
now-
don't have any
don't
time.
want. Okay,
Right
ma'am.
now,
No
I don't
problem.
have time. So in future, if
Yeah.
I will have any requirement, definitely I will come to you.
Okay. I will
Yeah. Because right now
make you
we have
bill,
to
ma'am.
go. Because right now we have to go some other shop also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Most welcome.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Fine guys. Very good conversation. Okay. किसी देर हम full 1 घंटे रोल प्ले करेंगे. Okay.
मेरे को जाना
Guys, you have to use some advanced structures. एक मैंने आपको दिया था delve into. ये आपको आ गया होगा.
Yes, sir.
ओके. अभी आप एक इस्तेमाल करेंगे एंड अप. ढूंढ लीजिएगा क्या होता है एंड अप. फिर मैं आपको नहीं पता तो मैं सिखा दूंगा बाद में. ये आपको रिसर्च करना है एंड अप.
Sir, can I make one sentence on end up?
या गो अहेड.
Yeah, yesterday I went to shopping mall just to buy a lehenga, and I ended up with buying trouser.
ठीक है. बस विद नहीं लगाना है. बाकी करेक्ट. एंडेड अप बाइंग ट्राउजर.
Sir, what it means?
So
Could you
ended
repeat
up
again,
with
please?
buying, sir, or is it only buy?
एंडेड अप के बाद आपको जेरेंड लगा देना है. कोई विद
Ended up with. There is no need of with.
नो कोई जरूरत नहीं.
Okay, 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 sir.
Yeah.